Ever closed an email by accident and panicked? Yeah, I've been there. That split second where you think all your work just vanished into thin air. But here's the good news. Yahoo Mail actually auto-saves your drafts, so nothing is ever really lost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and manage those drafts so you never lose your work again. We'll start by composing a message, then see how it auto-saves in the background, and finally, we'll manage everything in the drafts folder. Sound good? Let's jump in. First, let's get into your account. Go ahead and sign in to Yahoo Mail. If you're already logged in, great. Otherwise, just enter your credentials and you'll be on the main inbox screen in a moment. Now start a new email. Look for the Compose button. It's usually a big button in the top left corner. Click that and a new message window will pop open. Alright, now let's type your message and add recipients. Put in the email address in the To field, add a subject line if you want, and then start writing your message in the body. It can be anything, a sentence, a paragraph, or even just a couple of words. The important thing is that there's something in there to save. So now, let's intentionally close this Compose window to trigger the autosave. Just click the X in the top corner of that Compose window or navigate away from the page. It feels a little scary to do it on purpose, but trust me, this is where the magic happens. And here's the really cool part. Yahoo Mail automatically saves your message as a draft. You don't have to click a save button or anything. As soon as you close that window or move away, Yahoo quietly saves everything for you in the background. I've tested this myself multiple times, and it works every single time. Let's find where drafts are stored. Look to the left sidebar of your inbox. You'll see a folder labeled Drafts. Click on that. This is where all your unsent messages live. If you see your message there, you'll know the autosave worked perfectly. Go ahead and click on a draft to open it. This will pull up the message exactly where you left off. The recipient, the subject, the body text, everything is right there waiting for you. Now you have a choice. You can finish editing the email or send it right now. Just make any changes you need, and when you're ready, hit the send button. Super simple. But what if you don't need that draft anymore? No problem. If you want to delete a draft, open the Drafts folder again. Select that draft by clicking on it, and then look for the Delete button. It's usually a trash can icon or the word delete. Click that. A confirmation box might pop up asking if you're sure. Just click OK or confirm and the draft is gone for good. It's a clean way to keep your drafts folder organized. So let's recap everything. Yahoo Mail auto-saves your draft the moment you close a Compose window or navigate away. You can find all your drafts in the left sidebar under Drafts. Open any draft to continue editing or send it. And if you want to clean things up, just select the draft and hit delete. Here's a pro tip. If you ever get nervous about losing a long email, you can even manually save a draft by just closing the window. Yahoo has your back. Thanks so much for watching. Now you can write emails without that little knot of anxiety in your stomach. If this helped, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.